You guys, with so many DeFi protocols, I'm going to be telling you why you should be choosing a Mutuum. Let's go ahead and break it down. Please keep in mind, I'm not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. This video is for educational purposes only. So ladies and gentlemen, I would like to introduce you to a project known as Mutuum, all right? And listen, this thing provides a massive amount of opportunity. You can see right here, they currently have a sale. So we're talking about $14 million, you guys, in the house. So you guys, we need more money here, okay? That is what we need. But more importantly, if we actually kind of scroll down and take a look, you guys are going to see we got some important details here, okay? So we are talking about non-custodial, transparent, and permissionless, all right? Not only that, you guys, they do have a dynamic fair rate structure, which we'll talk about here in just a few moments. They even have a simple UX for both beginners and pros. And you guys, we have real value here. For who? Well, for lenders and borrowers. All right. So let me tell you exactly how this works. You guys will see right here that basically the liquidity protocol is non-custodial and enables users to engage as lenders, borrowers, and liquidators. Pretty easy and simple, okay? So lenders, what do, you guys? They deposit their funds, okay, into Mutuum's liquidity pools. And basically they earn interest, easy and simple, right? While borrowers, they can actually obtain over-collateralized loans by securing them with sufficient collateral. You have people who are looking to borrow, but they can't borrow unless they are over-collateralized, okay? You got to put down collateral to borrow funds. So what happens when they borrow funds? Well, they get hit with those interest rates. And those interest rates, you guys, they can be variable or stable. So you guys can see right here, obviously, it's whatever meets your preference, right? Pretty easy and simple, okay? And then with that being said, you know, with the borrowers obviously paying interest, basically what happens is that those lenders, they earn a part of that interest. Pretty easy and simple to understand here. So also want you guys to understand, I mean, whatever comes to this project, you guys, we're talking about a solid foundation, especially for future growth. I mean, take a look at the tokenomics here, 10% for ecosystem growth. That is incredible, all right? They even have a community first approach, you guys. So you can see right here, they got like a shortfall reserve, right? That's great. Protecting the community. Liquidity and mining incentives, great for the community. Pre-sale, 45%. So literally almost all the tokens go to who? Well, the community. All right. Giveaways for community, liquidity, which is great for the community. And then finally, partnerships, right? This strengthens the overall community, right? The overall project in general, which is great for who? The community. Okay. So once again, you guys, this thing is secure and scalable, right? Especially whenever it comes to its design. Not only that, yeah, it is built for longevity. So longevity in mind, all right? So if we actually take a look here at the very top, you guys are going to see that they do have this massive 100K giveaway, which is great for who? The community. I can't stress that enough, guys. Great project, okay? Scrolling down, you'll see right here, this is on Glean, how to participate, submit your wallet, complete all quests, right? And confirm your eligibility with a minimum investment of $50 in Mutuum Finance pre-sale. So you got to do all of these things here, right? Except for these two. Minimum, okay, is the $50 to be part of the rest of this, okay? But listen, even right here, you can do these to get more points, which is actually pretty good, right? And so we have that massive giveaway. And you guys can see right here, obviously, there's going to be 10 winners, each receiving $10,000, all right? So entering is pretty simple. Great for the community, you guys. So if we go ahead and take a look here, as mentioned, you guys, they do have a nice dashboard. So we got the leaderboard, okay? Top 50 holders. We got balance, current price right there. Worth at launch, you'll see right here, RO calculator, right? ROI. So you can see that right here. You can kind of just put in like, you know, Mutuum or something like that. Let's actually just kind of see here, Mutuum, and we got amount. You're going to be able to calculate your profits, right? So let's say you got like, I don't know, 10,000. You can see right there, $350. Okay. So really not that bad, you guys, which is actually pretty cool. Now, if you increase it to the next phases, you guys can see how much this thing's going to be worth, right? So we got phase 11 at 6. So you definitely be making a nice little profit there just by putting in, you know, just by getting 10,000 mutant tokens, okay? Leaderboard, you guys see right here, quite a few people already up there. Someone's got some big bags here. They got a spot bonus as well. So yeah, you guys, all right? So taking a look here. Once again, you guys can easily join. You got to connect your wallets. So we're going to disconnect real quick so you can see this. Connect wallet, boom, easy and simple. Any of these wallets will work, like Token Pocket. So you guys can see we can just kind of connect here. Let's do that really quick. right? Just so you see exactly how this works. Okay, boom. Okay, connect, boom, easy and simple. Let's go back really quick. Let's find that again. 1 second here, boom. Okay, so yeah, we're connected. Okay, literally that's all it took you guys. That is all it took. So you're gonna be able to put in the amount you want. We got Ethereum, BSC, Polygon, right? Multiple different currencies you can actually choose from. So just kind of put in the amount you want. Like let's do like 0.3, and you guys can see how many Mutuum you're gonna get, right? And remember, if you think about it, right, 30,000, right? Let's say that we're buying that much, right? And then we come over here to this dashboard, you guys can actually see, let's reconnect there, token pocket, boom, kept. So, and we're going to put right there, boom, right? We're going to copy paste. You can see how much it is right now. That's how much we're spending, 1,000. But let's bump it up a few phases, right? All the way up to phase 11. Boom. That turns into quite a bit of money there, right? You guys clearly saw that, okay? So once again, big opportunities here. I highly recommend you guys dive down into the overall white paper, the documents, a lot of important details here. There's probably more details here than what I'm telling you in this entire video. But once again, you guys, big opportunity, right? Mutuum, okay? Check out those linkies. Let's go. Okay, so there you have it, ladies and gentlemen. Make sure that you check out those links down below in that description. You definitely need to smash up that like button, smash up that subscribe button. Obviously, tell me how you feel. So what does that mean? Well, leave a comment down below. We'll see you in the next video.